E-cigarettes or vaping, kicking the habit. In an attempt to stop smoking, have you tried turning to vaping as an alternative? You thought this would be better than cigarettes without the nicotine. You thought it was a healthier alternative. Vaping is just as habit-forming as smoking cigarettes, and studies have found it's not healthier. The American Association for the Advancement of Science reported, vaping may not be as harmless as originally believed. Vaping can damage vital immune system cells, and additional studies have found that the liquids and flavorings used in e-cigarettes suppresses the cell function that is meant to fight infection, and has a negative impact on the nasal passages, lungs, and bloodstream. Hypnosis can help you break this habit and regain your health. And save you money. No more cravings. Call for a free hypnosis screening today and be vaping free. Call the number below. And stop in as little as 1 session. Visit our website. Be vaping free. www.coastalvideos.com www.hypnosistip.com https://link.attribute.to/cc/56573